The king of hard enduro is back. Welcome to Moto Revs 27. KTM has officially revealed the 2027 KTM 300 EXC 6 Days, and while it may look familiar at first glance, this special edition comes packed with premium upgrades built for serious off-road riders. Here are 7 things you need to know before everyone else. 1. It's built to celebrate enduro racing. First, the 6 Days edition isn't just about graphics. It's KTM's tribute to the legendary international 6 Days Enduro, one of the toughest off-road competitions in the world. That means factory-inspired styling and race-focused components come standard. 2. Proven 293 cubic centimeters two-stroke power. Under the bodywork is KTM's legendary 293 cubic centimeters fuel-injected two-stroke engine. With throttle body injection technology, it delivers smoother throttle response, impressive low-end torque, and explosive power that has made the 300 EXC a favorite among hard enduro riders worldwide. 3. Premium WP suspension. Number 3. The suspension. The bike features WP XACT suspension, designed to absorb rocks, roots, jumps, and technical terrain while keeping the bike stable and predictable. Whether you're racing or trail riding, confidence comes standard. 4. Factory performance parts. This isn't your standard EXC. The 6 Days edition includes premium equipment like a radiator fan, skid plate, super sprox rear sprocket, map selector switch, and a solid rear brake disc. These upgrades improve durability and performance straight from the factory. 5. Exclusive 6 Days styling. Visually, the bike stands out with exclusive 6 Days graphics, an orange frame, premium details, and a race-inspired appearance. It's aggressive, lightweight, and unmistakably KTM. 6. Ready for extreme terrain. From rocky mountain climbs to muddy forest trails and technical single track, the 2027 KTM 300 EXC 6 Days is engineered for the toughest conditions. This is a motorcycle built to perform when the trail gets brutal. 7. Still the king of hard enduro? And finally, with its proven two-stroke engine, premium factory upgrades, and race-winning DNA, the 2027 KTM 300 EXC 6 Days continues to set the benchmark for hard enduro motorcycles. The real question is, can any competitor finally take the crown? What do you think about the new 2027 KTM 300 EXC 6 Days? Is it still the ultimate hard enduro machine? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle first looks and the latest industry updates. Thanks for watching Moto Revs 27, and we'll see you in the next one.